Back you guys to my channel. This is Lupe from autoshopmarketing.io, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to rank your auto shop faster on Google. Not only faster, we're going to help you select the right keywords that are going to generate you the most money depending on the services that you provide, right? Through what you're comfortable providing. So before we get started, make sure you hit up autoshopmarketing.io. It's the website to one of our new programs. You can go ahead and download our Ultimate Auto Shop Internet Marketing Guide, how to double your leads in 90 days. Now, this is not for people who are gonna, work through half of it and then not complete it. You have to invest seriously into your business, right? Into your online marketing. And if you're not investing seriously, you're not going to see these results, right? These big results, right? These huge promises. And you can get them. You just need to do the work. So go ahead and check out our page. We got a bunch of other cool content. We also have tutorials and stuff like that, and a lot of stuff, and a little information about my background, where I came from, and how it is that I've built these programs, right? So let me see. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm a little hot. I've been packing. I'm actually gonna be heading down to Austin first thing in the morning. I'm gonna spend the day in Austin, have some fun, relax, and then I'm gonna hit up a couple shops down in Austin. Have a few presentations that I want to get done. So this Friday, I've just been all over the place. All right, so here I have a set of words. Now I'm using Dallas as an example, but it doesn't necessarily just need to be Dallas. It can be whatever city, right? The size of your city is going to be sort of proportionate to the amount of people that are going to be searching for these keywords every single month, right? The bigger the city, the more people are more than likely going to be searching for your services. Here I have, I need to take away Dallas Hail, but I'm going to have auto repair, auto shop, transmission repair, transmission shop. I already got transmission repair. To Dallas transmission shop. Let's see. Do I have? Okay, I have dealership, Dallas dealership, body shop, Dallas body shop. See, I'm missing something like tire shop, Dallas tire shop, brake repair, Dallas brake repair. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and analyze these keywords. All right, I'm gonna make myself a little smaller, and we're gonna get to it. All right, so tire shop by far, holy wow, has the most amount of searches out of all the different keywords that we have here. It gets 823,000 searches a month. The trend is actually going up a little bit, and it is very difficult to rank for this keyword. It's a 72% keyword difficulty. Now, the cost per click is actually very low. It's $2.78 a click for Google Ads. If you're a national brand, if you have a franchise, this would be very lucrative to your business. Body shop, again, it goes down a little, 368,000. Auto repair, 246,000. I'm assuming people get into more wrecks than they need brake repair, transmission repair, but it goes down to about $250,000. It is a 63% keyword difficulty, a little bit harder. Look at that, body shop is $1.22 a click. That's crazy. Auto repair, $4.45 a click. Now, these are national keywords, right? What we want to do is target local keywords. This is how we separate between a local SEO campaign and a national SEO campaign. What we want to do is build relevant, high keyword density evergreen content on your website, targeting the specific services and the locations that you serve. Now, I'm doing this a little bit old school. There are new ways to do it, but I've done it this way for the last 3 years, and I've been able to rank pages as fast as 1 month, and I've been able to do it consistently. So I kind of know this works. What you want to do is target these long tail keywords, and you're gonna have to build a lot of pages if you want to target more keywords. Or over time, as you're building links and as your website develops authority, you're going to start showing up for more and more keywords without having to build more pages. But I recommend you build 20 specific service pages with the specific locations you're serving. Build some links to that, right? Go to local directories, get some links from local directories, do some outreach, right? Reach out to their blogs. You want to get about 10 to 20 backlinks to each of those pages, and within the next 3 months, if you continue to drive traffic to your website, not organically but artificially, it can be through social media, it can be through YouTube, like I do it, right? I drive traffic through YouTube. It's going to tremendously build traffic to your website, and it's going to help you it's going to help you rank so much quickly than doing everything organically. And look, I'm just going to tell you right outright, the number one secret to SEO really is popularity. If you want to rank faster, you need to be the popular guy in town, and in order for you to be the popular guy in town, you need to drive traffic to your website. So by getting these videos made, by running ads on Google, by driving people to your website, Google is going to pick up on those signals, and they're going to see, hey, these guys are getting a lot of traffic. People want their content, so we're going to promote their content on their search engine result pages, right? And that's how you get that. But right now, for the purposes of this video, we're going over how to pick out specific keywords that are going to make you the most money, right? How are they going to drive you the most leads? Now, we're going to break it down. So we know that these are national keywords. Now, national keywords, yeah, that would be cool. You get a lot of traffic, but you want local traffic. You want stuff like Dallas dealership that gets 1,600 searches a month. It is $2 a click, 53% keyword difficulty. It gets a little bit more complicated. Dallas tire shop, 880 searches a month, 40% keyword difficulty, a little bit harder, $2.30. $2.30 a click. Dallas transmission repair, this is the one I've been targeting recently. This is the one that I've been offering in a lot of my proposals. Dallas transmission repair, it only gets 170 searches a month, but it is 18% keyword difficulty, super easy to rank for, and it is the most expensive, but it's also going to make you the most money, $7.40 a click. So we're going to go ahead and click on this keyword. Now, in total, with all the different variations of Dallas transmission and repair, there's about 500 people actually searching for this service every single month within the Dallas area. Now, with all related keywords within the DFW Metroplex, there's about 288,000 people searching for auto repair services within DFW. We don't have any questions here. So that gives you an idea that, maybe there's only about, 500 or 1,000 people in the DFW looking for transmission repair every single month. But within the auto repair industry, there's actually a lot more opportunity that you can also go for. Like transmission repair Dallas, right? That only gets about 20 searches a month, but the keyword difficulty is only 6%. And we can kind of guess this is across the board in every single city. It's going to be about the same, right? Now, sometimes I would actually look for questions or write questions that people are searching for your business. So I wish I had a better example right now. Transmission shop Dallas. This actually gets 260 searches a month. 15% keyword difficulty. Man, that's perfect. I wish I had more information for y'all here. Now, another thing I enjoy doing is actually looking at the competitors that are ranking on the first page. on Google, and I want to look at the backlinks they have. I want to look at how much traffic they're getting, and I want to look at how many keywords they're ranking for, right? Like some of these guys, right, they're getting 6,800 searches, 6,800 clicks a month, 144. They got 207, 239, right? They're getting a lot of traffic, right? Even if they're converting about 10%, they're still getting 20 transmission jobs a month. That's at least $20,000 to $30,000 they're making a month, right? That's a lot of money, or more, depending on how much you're charging for your services. And you also want to look at the kind of keywords they're ranking for. Now, for this specific video, I really don't want to out anybody, and I don't want to click on any of these links. But by looking at the kind of keywords your competitors are ranking for, you can get an idea of what kind of keywords you could start targeting too. Now, you also don't want to start targeting keywords that have too much competition, I guess I could say. It is kind of hard to kind of figure out what is hard competition, but you really just need to look at the keyword difficulty. The easier the keywords it is to rank for, the easier it is for you to get that spot. Like best transmission shop in DFW, 10% keyword difficulty. It's only 40 people, but these are hot leads, right? If someone is searching for best transmission shop in DFW, they're ready to buy, right? So we can almost with certainty say that every single month there are 40 people that are ready to buy. So if you're number one and you got good reviews, you have a good website, you have a live chat, you have a review management system, right? So you're getting the reviews, and you're on Google My Business, there shouldn't be a reason why you shouldn't dominate these 40 searches every single month, right? There shouldn't be a reason why you shouldn't, right? There wouldn't be a reason why you wouldn't do that. So if you think about it, let's say you rank for 10 of these keywords and you're getting 10% of the clicks. Well, now you're getting about 120, right, clicks every single month, ready buyers, and the only thing you need to do is wait by the phone and you're going to start getting those calls, right? Now, there are tools that you can use to track some of those calls, like a call tracking software. You can also use lead forms or a funnel to capture some of those leads, but you really want to drive phone calls. Phone calls are the best conversions, so you need to be ready on your phone. So when people land on your website, get a live chat. The live chat is going to get those people to call you, right? It's instant, and you get to download the app on your phone. And you can directly talk to your leads as they're on your website, which is a great conversion tool. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Positive comments only. If you want us to set this system up for you where we automate this whole thing and all you got to do is wait until you start getting calls, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to assist you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Man, I'm excited. I'm excited to do this. Wow. I love the auto industry, and I'm just going to be blunt. It is so easy to do SEO for auto repair. Extremely easy. Most cities don't have strong auto repair shops that do SEO. There's always like one or two, but one or two is not enough to dominate a city, right? Like there's no space, is what I'm trying to say. There are so many keywords out there. There's more and more opportunity. There's always going to be a spot for you to just take over a huge portion of the online, I guess you could call it real estate, or the search engine real estate, and just dominate online marketing, right? And I'm just excited. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to hear back from you soon. Bye.